Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video we have seen course details about MBA degree and I have already uploaded video related to benefits of doing MBA. So if you missed up with that videos then please watch it. मैंने description box में already सारे videos के link डाल दी है. Now आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे top entrance exams of India. See, basically ये जो MBA entrance exams हैं are considered as a golden ticket to enter into MBA program. And every student must have to appear for entrance exam to get admission in top B schools. At the time of selection of entrance exams, students become confused about which exam they should appear for because different colleges accept different entrance exam scores, right? For example, अगर आपको IIM से MBA करना हो, then you need to appear for CAT examination. And if you want to do your MBA from XLRI Jamshedpur, then you need to appear for ZET exam, right? So now I'll be provide information related to top 7 MBA entrance exam so that you can have an idea about it. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, so the first one entrance exam is CAT. Common Admission Test. This exam is conducted in November every year. Now, if I talk about eligibility criteria, then the student should have minimum 50% in their graduates. Then they can appear for CAT examination. Now, next is exam pattern. This exam comprises of 3 sections. The first one is verbal ability and reading comprehension. Second one is data interpretation and logical reasoning. And the third one is quantitative ability. Total 100 questions are asked in this exam and you will receive +3 for the correct answer and for each incorrect answer -1 is deducted. And yes, no marks are deducted for unattempted questions. Okay. Now the second one is ZET, Xavier's Admission Test, which is conducted by XLRI itself and it is considered as one of oldest entrance exam for MBA and this exam is conducted in January every year. See, जितने भी कॉलेजेस है जो Z स्कोर को एक्सेप्ट करती है वो स्टूडेंट्स का GDPA राउंड भी लेती है. So firstly, students Z score has been examined and the second round is GDPA, which is group discussion and personal interview. And yes, any person which have a bachelor's degree in any stream can appear for this exam. Now let's see exam pattern. Basically, ZET exam is a MCQ based which has a 4 section. The first one is verbal and logical reasoning. Second one is data interpretation and quantitative ability. Third one is decision making and the fourth one is general awareness. Compared to CAT examination, ZET is considered as the toughest exam because it includes questions related to decision making plus general awareness. And total 100 questions are asked in this exam. And as per the merit score of ZET exam, candidates are called for personal interview and group discussion. Third one is MAT, Management Aptitude Test, which is conducted by AIMA, All India Management Association. See, this exam is considered as one of the most popular exam of MBA and the students can appear it 4 times in a year in the month of February, May, September and December. Any person who have a bachelor's degree in any stream can appear for this exam. Now, if I talk about exam pattern, then one of the key reasons behind popularity of this exam is its pattern because it gives choice to the students for offline test and online test. One depend upon their feasibility. Okay. Now this exam has 5 subjects. The first one is language comprehension. Second one is mathematical skill. Third one is data analysis. Fourth is intelligence and critical reasoning. And the fifth one is Indian and global environment crisis. Now the fifth one is NMAT, Narsee Monjin Management Aptitude Test. It is the MBA entrance exam for securing admission in NMIMS Mumbai. NMIMS Mumbai is a university which provides various MBA programs with so many specializations. And yes, the student should have minimum 50% marks in their graduation for appearing this exam. Now next is exam pattern. This exam is considered as 75 days long exam which is conducted from October to December on changing pattern. And the students can appear thrice for this exam during this 75 days window. And the maximum marks is considered as a final. Now the topics which includes in this test are language skill, quantitative skill, data interpretation and data sufficiency, and the last one is logical reasoning. See, firstly, the merit list has been created as per the scores of NMAT exam, and then the students are shortlisted for the GDPA round. Now the sixth one is CMAT, Common Management Admission Test. CMAT is considered as a national level entrance exam which is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency, for getting admission in all postgraduate management program. More than 100 schools across India accept the CMAT score. Now next is exam pattern. See, CMAT exam consists of 100 questions. And there are total 4 sections in this exam. The first one is quantitative technique and data interpretation. Second one is logical reasoning. Third one is language comprehension. And the fourth one is general awareness. This exam has total 400 marks. +4 for the positive answer and -1 for the negative one. Now the last one is IIFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. See, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade is one of the top B school in India, which offer MBA in International Business to the student. And it is one of the best MBA specialization one could ever expect. After 2019 onwards, NTA will be start conducting IIFT exam, Institute IIFT Institute, for the students who want to get their admission in IIFT Delhi and IIFT Kolkata campus. Now next is exam pattern. This exam is consist of online testing mode which is followed by GDPA round, and the topic includes English comprehension, then general awareness and general knowledge, logical reasoning and quantitative ability. Okay. So here I am done with my today's video. Hope after watching my whole video, you will be clear about top 7 entrance exam for getting admission in MBA. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it. Also press bell icon so that you can see all my videos at first. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.